Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, it is my 2-month lock-iversary, and I am super excited because I have so much I want to share with you, but I'm also going to try to keep this video as short as possible because no one wants to sit down and watch a 15-minute video, to be quite honest. So if you want to hear all about my 2-month lock-iversary or my 2 months lock so far, just keep on watching and I will see you in the video. First thing is first, let's just talk about how my hair is of no maintenance to me. Let's just enjoy that for a second. Okay, my hair has been the easiest thing to handle within the past 2 months. Apart from my retightening, I really have no hands-on maintenance with my hair, I guess, apart from washing it, obviously, because we're not walking around with funky hair, but just to actually be in my hair and hands-on in my hair, if I don't feel like combing my hair, I literally don't have to. I could just kind of spritz some water on it, give it a little shaky shake, okay, and that's it. I just kind of, well, go sit in front of my computer because of quarantine, we're not going anywhere. The maintenance of my hair alone, apart from my retie, is super low, and that is probably my favorite thing so far. The second thing that I am loving is just how full my hair is getting. I don't know if you guys can see from some of my earlier videos compared to this video, just how thick my hair is. This is not from me doing anything to like fluff my hair. This is just my hair naturally frizzing out on its own. I posted a picture on my Instagram for my 2-month anniversary. Follow me here, and it is all about frizz. It just shows how much frizz I'm having, and it's crazy to me just how the frizz shows how full your hair is. And I remember as a loose natural I should say, once it started to frizz, I was cringing on the inside because nobody wants that. But now I'm all for the frizz. I love the frizz. It just gives my hair such a fuller look, and I'm all for it. I know I talked about it in my last video, but the other thing that I'm absolutely loving is the fact that I have so much hair freedom. I can do whatever I want to do with my hair. And I just feel like this is such an important thing to put out there. If you are considering Microlocs, DIY locks, or traditional locks, sister locks, whichever type of locks you're going for, just think about it. For a pro, definitely a pro, is the low maintenance of your hair, the freedom of moving around with your hair. You just kind of put your hair in a ponytail and keep it moving. You can leave it hanging down, you can do whatever you want with it. So many different styles. I've seen a lot of women that do wigs and weaves and braids and all of that with their hair. So it's not like you don't have a chance to do that with your hair. You still do, but just think about the freedom that you'll have. So just think about that. If you're looking for hair freedom, this might be a good idea. Just look into it, research it, and make sure you pick the one that you're going to be very happy with. Of course, I have to talk about retie week because it takes me about a week to retighten my hair. I love the fact that I'm getting a lot faster with my retightening. So whereas it would take me a complete week to retighten my hair, it has been cut down to 4 days, and that's with me taking really long breaks. So I am super excited about that. And for those of you who don't know, I am doing the 4-point rotation, and I just stuck with that one. There's really no hair type reasoning behind the 4-point rotation. I just went with the 4-point rotation because it was the easiest one for me to remember, and my hair is pretty thick, in case you couldn't tell, and I just wanted to make sure that I was locking my hair correctly, and I knew for sure that I could follow those 4 points. That's the deepest reasoning behind me doing the 4-point rotation. I am also noticing that I have more sense this time with my retie, and I do not do it too tight. I made the mistake in my first retie of doing my rotations a little bit too tight, and I had such tender scalp, and it was not fun. It took me back to getting my hair braided back in the days, and that was just not fun because that tension on my scalp was the absolute worst, especially around my edges. It was not fun, sis. It was not fun. So I'm finding out that not retightening my hair too tight is absolutely an amazing thing. Let's talk about some cons. Ooh, where do I even start? They're not a lot, but the cons that they are annoying. Number one, my ends are unraveling like no other, and it is so annoying. I've actually been going through and following Napstar the New Black. She has a technique on how she fix a hole in her lock or something along the lines of that, and I've been following that with the ends of my hair. So I've actually been going through and locking the ends of my hair because my ends keep unraveling. Because I have a looser texture in the back of my head, my ends are unraveling 10 times faster than my entire head. And to say that I'm going a little crazy is putting it nicely. So what I've been focusing on is, like I said, doing the 4-point rotation on my ends, just trying to seal them in a little bit just so that they stop unraveling, because I really do want my hair to lock, and I think it defeats the purpose of having to unravel my twist halfway to retwist it. It's just so annoying, and I know a lot of people said to just braid the ends. I tried braiding the ends and I just got frustrated with that alone, so I've just been focusing on doing it one day at a time, one step at a time. If it's only one lock a day, I'm literally just doing the end once a day. The other thing I'm noticing as a con is shrinkage, of course, and I think we're all going through shrinkage and just following our locks and allowing them to be a journey and allowing them to mature in their own time. But I'm noticing shrinkage is like just stealing my joy, because like how my hair is right now, I did not stretch my hair. I just sprayed it with a little bit of water. As the day goes by and it dries, it's gonna shrink up to about right here, which is the same issue I had when I was a loose natural. So it's not really a big deal. I'm just putting it as a con. Shrinkage is the devil, always will be. The last con I am having is the fact that my ends are stringy, I guess. I kind of want to clip my ends, but at the same time I just don't want to touch anything because I don't want my hair to start unraveling. But it's almost as if I'm noticing a little bit of like single strand knots at the end of my locks, and I'm pretty sure that's just because my hair has not fully locked and my hair probably just needs something. I was an avid deep conditioner when I was a loose natural, so maybe my hair is just going through withdrawals from that. I'm not really sure. If you guys have any ideas to why I could be getting single strand knots, please leave them down below, because I would love to hear your ideas as well as what you guys do to combat those little knotty ends at the end of your locks. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a little thingy right there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.